Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can easily add border and adjust margin of that border in Word document. So keep watching. So friend, here first we are going to add margin over here. So what you will do, simply click on this layout option. This is the layout tab. And friend, here you will see the page setup option. Then you will see this down arrow. Okay. You simply click on it and you will get this page setup pop-up box. And here we are going to simply add margin. Okay. So here we are going to simply give 2. And here the preview option, whenever you change the value of this margin, you will see the real-time preview. Okay, so here we are going to change one by one all the things. So you will get the preview how it will look. Okay, so you can see the preview and then click on this OK button. So friend, you can see that my page margin is given by this page setup. Now we are going to add border. Okay, then click on this design tab and then click on this page border. Okay, so here you will see the page border tab and here you will see the box option. You simply click on this box and this is the line. And if you want to change the color, you can simply change the color. For example, here I'm going to add this one. Okay, and this is the width of the border. You will, if you want to change, you can do that. I simply do the 3.3 pt. That will be okay for me. Then simply click on this OK button. So friend, you can see that this page margin with the border is given by this simple tutorial. Okay, if you want to increase the page border size, then what you will do, simply click on this page border again and here you simply change the size of it. Okay, so here we are going to give the size like this and change the color, so get the perfect idea about it. Simply click on it and friend, you can see that this page border is done now. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can adjust border in your Word document. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.